I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Everest Forms. Select a form. Next. Now search for Action Agiled CRM. Give a name. In this field, write your Agiled CRM brand name. Agiled.app. For API token, please visit Agiled API token. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose module. Select role. Now map the fields. Here you can see advance action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and save. Go to the Everest Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Agiled CRM dashboard. Click on CRM. Then click on Contact. You can see record is created in Contact module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.